G'day! In today's video I've got a PS3 that I'm tearing down, and this particular one tore down a little bit to begin with, but it doesn't really, should be fairly, if you've torn these apart before you should have a rough idea, or just check another video on what to do there. Anyway, I'm tearing this down to get out the system fan, which looks like this. On this one, the bearings are gone. This one here, it operates just fine, or at least from memory it operates just fine. So you can join me while I dig down to get to that drive, and then you'll know yourself what's entailed to get there. Let's take this cover off here as well. Go bang, bang, bang. This one doesn't actually look much better, but the fan is good. Now I need to take out some of this power supply. Oh, actually, now I'm not being too concerned about where I'm putting these screws, mainly because I've got spare. Being this is just the parts one getting torn apart to be able to get to that fan. Phillips head screw here, Phillips head screw here, cable over here that needs to be detached. Grab a pair of tweezers, grab the cords and try and walk it out. There we go, disconnect the cable. Now, what have we got? Skipping steps because I'm in a rush. It's not what you want to be in. That's what you end up sometimes. Side to side. Bingo, one power supply. And from here we want to detach antenna. Push down on this cable here and slide this back and disconnect this one. Yeah. Okay. With that disconnected, we should be right to flip it back over. Now we need to take out all these screws here. What have we got? 1, 2, 3. Here. Okay, remove that. Now I should be able to fold this up. Go. Board out. It's crazy the amount of rust that I've been seeing in some of these PlayStations nowadays. It's like 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw. Then this insert should be able to come out. Oh, fell out. The CMOS battery had fallen out. If it feels like it's snagging, and maybe because of the aerial cable still tucked up under here, so you will need to disconnect it. There we go. Look at the quality there. Delicious. What we should be able to do is 1, 2 screws. 1 and 2 screws. 1, 2. And this bit here slides up. At least that's what it did on the other one. No, we just got broken free. Wow, check out that. That is disgusting. That almost makes me want to vomit. The size of my thumb. So I grab this. It still clicks out, but it spins considerably smoother. So I'm going to give that a blast with an air compressor and some silicone spray. And I'll proceed to install it in the proper working console. So, a little bit of a tidy up in here. As tidy as you can get these anyway. Go. So this one is the replacement one. It's not appealing in appearance, but it's nice and smooth, which is precisely what I want at the moment. Now, I need to remember, after getting this apart, what way I need to go about getting it back together. Yeah, I probably should start by giving that a clean. Check that out. So now, what way are we going to go? Oh wait. Move this over. Take that one off. Out, yes, 2, 3. Now I'm going to give thermal paste to replace while I'm here. Use some of this GD 900 thermal grease. Now if I flip this around, feed this cable over here. Go. Line most of it up. Actually, I need to put in through the ports I/O at the back first. Wiggle it down. Go. Connect up the fan. There. Next up, back shield. Flip that over. Line that up. Now we're making progress. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do IO on the back here. What do we need? This one.